YouTube. She's coming in for the clutch and the flywheel. What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to do a quick intro. We've already started working on the W900 for the clutch and the flywheel. I just wanted to get a few shots before we start on it. And I might let the owner of the truck get in front of it and tell us a little bit about it. But we'll see how camera shy he is.
Oh, hey. I didn't know I was on camera. Well, my name's Glenn Duff, aka Donkey. This is old Purple Palace of Love. 99 W9, 342-inch wheelbase, 34.6 cat, around 650 horse or so, 18 speed, 355 rears. It's a pretty good old truck. Also known as the bad bitch.
Everybody loves this truck.
Yeah. She needs a little bit of loving though.
So what brings you into the shop today, Mr. Duff?
Well, I couldn't stay away from you two fine fellers, that's for sure.
Well, that's hard to do.
We got some clutch springs blowed out of her. And I heard the Amish are the best in town, so if you're gonna get truck work done, come see Ishmael Yoder. And his fine friend Chris.
Yeah, Ishmael Yoder's under there getting a jack set up so we can get this trans out. Glenn's over here admiring his tires.
Yeah, admiring, okay. Getting my feelings hurt.
Hey, can't be any worse than those rear tires you got on there right now.
See another issue. Tits and tires, they say, right?
You know, all those long, lonely nights on the road, you know.
Yep.
The truck needs some love too, so hopefully we'll be able to address a few of your issues.
Yeah. We'll live to see another mile or two, huh?
Yeah, hopefully in this market it will.
Yeah, sure don't want a new one.
So I guess we'll drop this camera down and we'll see what old Ishmael's doing under there. Oh, loosen the wrong part, sorry guys.
Wishing he was shoeing a horse.
It's not much. We're not far off from shoeing a horse here. Oh, Ishmael's not under here. I guess we'll raise her back up. We're gonna take these bolts out up here. Get this camera adjusted.
So would that be just a new U-joint or new straps?
U-joint and a yoke.
And the yoke?
Yeah.
Yeah, the yoke's what I just did on that truck because we had the same problem with the transmission.
It's the first one behind the trans?
Start the camera again once we get a little closer to getting this trans up. Got the rear end picked up. I'm sitting on jack stands. Use the Zach lift to pick it up. Pulling the flywheel and the clutch now. Show you pictures of, or video of the clutch. Well, we got it all back together. We got the flywheel and the clutch right here. Here's the flywheel. Pilot bearing seized up. And ball bearing. Actually, it had some in the distance and kept the clutch engaged the whole time. There's old Glenn, happier than hell. You got a working AC now? Is it working?
Yeah.
Cold?
Not getting up to 60 consoles and going through the wind.
He can get the road tonight. I think we gotta go to Kenworth to get a front motor mount rubber. This rubber's gone, so. Let it get aired up and then see if it needs any type of clutch leakage adjustment or anything like that, and then probably send it out on the road. Got it all greased up. Dirty shop, clutch shop is back to back. I think that's gonna wrap this video up. We might end the video with this thing rolling on out of the shop whenever it leaves. Thanks for watching, guys. Old Mr. Duff's gonna go take her on a test drive, see how she rolls. Get her starting it up and driving her out. Sorry. Crafty camera operator here. In a dirty shop. It's not really a dirty shop, it's a working shop. Another one leaving.